Hey y'all, this is day 3 of my low carb diet. It's been a long 3 days, but I am ready to try some low carb blueberry muffins. All right, so here they are. I got them from sugarfreelondoner.com. I know you guys can't see it too well, but it's grab and go low carb muffins. I'll make sure to put the recipe either on this video or in the comments or in the description. I don't know, it'll be there somewhere. So each muffin is 4.3 grams of net carbs. My breakfast, I try to keep it between 6 and 9 net grams of carbs, net carbs. I'm still learning. So if I grab one of these and my black coffee, then I'll be good. I have a 5-day work week ahead of me, so I'm trying to get ahead of myself and start this whole planning stuff, okay? So let's start cooking. 1.5 cup plain yogurt, 6 medium eggs, 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 cup sweetener, and a 1/3 cup blueberries, and a partridge in a pear tree. Oven is preheating to 350. I'm getting out the big boy mixer. Yogurt. It smells like armpits. 6 medium eggs or 5 large eggs. I don't remember if these are medium or large, so 6 it is. Vanilla. 4 tablespoons of the good stuff. 2, 3. Melted butter. Now that all the dry, combine all the wet ingredients until well combined. Wet. Mix, 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 mix. Yogurt. 3.5 cups of almond flour. I don't have 3.5 cups of almond flour. We'll see how much I have. 1 cup, 2 cups, and the rest. I gotta do it. I'm sorry. I have to do it. I really shouldn't be apologizing to anybody except my own body. This started off so promising. 2-ish teaspoons of baking powder. 1/4 cup of sweetener. That's about 6 months expired. Mix, 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 something, mix, 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 mix. I hate the smell of yogurt. Folding in the cheese. How do you fold in the cheese? I don't know. You just fold it in. These muffins are going to be so cute. That's okay. This batter seems so runny, and all I can smell and taste is yogurt. I don't have a good feeling about this. Don't question what I'm doing right now. I have a method, okay? See? Method. Uh-oh. Ooh. Big chunk of blueberries right there. One hand trick. Bye. Sleep tight. All right, they're cooled down. They look pretty good. They don't smell like yogurt anymore. Ooey gooey. They probably need a couple more minutes to bake, but just too excited. I have to eat it now. I can taste the no carb in here. Honestly, 7 out of 10. Not that bad. I'm just gonna bake them for another couple minutes and I think it went well. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.